COVID-19 infections and hospitalizations in children, they are on the rise, and the American Academy of Pediatrics reports over 325,000 child COVID-19 cases were reported just last week, the very last week of 2021, a 64% increase compared to the week before that.
So we know not all children are yet eligible for a vaccine. Leah Shields finding out that not all testing sites will test kids of all ages either. Leah, why?
Lou, that answer is actually unclear because an expert here at Avicena tells me that the test for COVID is the same no matter your age, a nasal swab smaller than this. If your child is under 3 years old, you have far fewer options of where to get tested. You can't go here, here, or here. One mom found out the hard way.
So my daughter Harper started experiencing symptoms on a Wednesday night. We called her pediatrician that night, who said that they did not offer infant COVID tests.
Jacksonville mom Casey Feint brought this problem to my attention after her experience.
My daughter had 103 fever. She was coughing, short of breath, all that good stuff. So we were obviously concerned. Pediatrician told us to go to Wolfson's ER. It was just pandemonium. There was tons of kids there.
11:30 at night on a Friday, Wolfson ER was the only testing spot open. If it was during the day, her options are still limited. Telescope Health, Walgreens, and CVS only test kids 3 and older. Agape Health's website says 5 and older, but their spokesperson actually says they can test kids 1 and up. Avicena says they test kids 6 months old and up. Florida Health Department sites and Nightlife Pediatrics can test newborns and older. Dr. Saman Soleymani, CEO and president of Avicena Medical, says testing is the same for all ages.
But, if you are infected with the COVID-19 virus, it is in your nasopharyngeal area, and the processing of the swab does not change. The swab is extremely tiny and doesn't pose any risk to kids. And
Wolfson Children's spokesperson wants people to know they are not a testing site, but if your child is experiencing emergency symptoms, of course, you should go to the ER. Now, here at Avicena, they are reaching capacity on testing every day. They're actually opening a new drive-through site, 2 parking lots over in the Golden Corral parking lot starting this morning at 8 a.m., but that is going to be self-pay, so you will have to pay for that by cash or card. Leah Shields, First Coast News, on your side.